to the event. Monica
The
Rick,
following is a test of the emergency alert
The following
system.
is a test of the emergency alert system.
Station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
When you need to talk, we're here for you. Always have been. News Radio KDKA. Join Mark Best seminars and lose the weight guaranteed on the $49.99.
Shit, I just thought we could fucking do it. Shit. Yeah, this is a huge mess, but yeah. And as per usual, I'm along with.
I'm S213, and my cat is coming right here. Oh yeah, there she is. She wants to pull out of this room right now. Savage. What the hell happened to my phone? There we go. But anyway, just chilling.
Yes.
Now she wants to attack me.
Yes. But yeah, as you guys just saw, I got my first alert with my new Eton Elite Traveler. So that's exciting. And I'll definitely use that for more DXing hatches since it has those capabilities. And I think it's honestly much better than my HDR for that. For those sorts of things. I mainly use mine for monitoring, like KDKA and other things. But for portable stuff, I'm definitely going to use my Eton Elite Traveler for those things.
And then I pretty much just use my HDR 15 and BC. Of course.
Yeah, so that might BC for the main ones, Caleb and KDKA. And the 268 as well, for those.
The radio I fucking want.
Oh, yeah, radios I want. Like the 74107!
Maybe another 102 as well, because you said you wanted it.
Yes. Well, yeah, I mean, the one that you have, that was made in Korea. Is it made in Korea, that one?
Think.
Yeah, well, anyways, I want that model too. But yeah, I mean, there isn't really anything else to say. Oh yeah, stay tuned for this unboxing over here. I want you guys to comment what unboxing this might be. So put your guesses in the comments below if you want to. But yeah, besides that, it's pretty much gonna wrap up this.
Are you doing a solo unboxing or are you doing a group?
Well, this one's gonna be solo. This one over here is going to be solo with a special guest, which is another hint. But yeah, guys, I'll pretty much wrap up this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.